Yes, Linda, Pastor Mgadza is finally getting out. What's your take on that?
I'm happy that the High Court has finally granted him bail, though it took too long. You know, in a proper judicial system, it shouldn't take so long for a person to be given bail, because every human being has got a right to personal liberty. And I feel that his rights for his freedom of religion has been violated, and freedom of expression, and we are going to keep on speaking out about this. Everyone has got a right to worship the God that he or she wants. He was only delivering a message that he was given by God. So I am very happy that they have released him, though at the same time I'm angry because we're expecting that by now we would be with him, celebrating with him, but then we hear that the clerk of court refused to accept the bail money, saying he wants to verify with the High Court first. It just doesn't make sense. It's just a way that they keep on using to try and frustrate activists, but we are hopeful that the lawyers will work on it and that he will be out tomorrow.